So this question is on the carbon footprint. So remember, the carbon footprint basically talks about the amount of carbon dioxide a person produces. So climate change is a major concern to human life. So remember, we're describing something, we need to talk about it in a reasonable amount of detail, what carbon footprint is and how it can be reduced. Right, so like we just said, all the carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide that a person will produce in 1 year, and it consists of all of the activities that they're taking part in. So one way to go and reduce it is to reuse, reduce, refuse, rot and recycle different products so they can be used again. We can go and talk about anything that causes us to go and driving cars less. We can talk about conserving water, as that conserves the waterways, and going and producing clean water uses a lot of energy. We talk about eating foods that are seasonal rather than importing them, because then there's less fossil fuels being used to transport them. Could go and switch to sustainable energy, so we're not burning fossil fuels. And finally, you can talk about taking holidays locally, so you don't have to fly, because flying also burns lots of fossil fuels. So they're just a few of the key things that you can mention if a question comes up about carbon footprint.